Weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant County in central Indiana, western Blackford County in east central Indiana, southwestern Wells County in northeastern Indiana until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairmount, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Hartford City, Upham, Fairmount, Jonesboro, Swayze, Van Buren, Matthews, Sims, Fowlerton, Shamrock Lakes, Landis, Curbs, Point Isabel, Lewisburg, Home Corner, Michaelsville, Normal, and Canfield. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Grant, and Wells. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wabash County, Indiana, central Grant County in central Indiana, southwestern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Swayze or near Marion, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, City, Sweetser, Swayze, Northampton, Home Corner, Landis, Michaelsville, Normal, Jalapa, Curbs, Canfield, Ackerman, Benko, Radley, and Lewisburg. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Grant, Huntington, and Wabash. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Grant County in central Indiana until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jonesboro or near Gas City, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, City, Fairmount, Jonesboro, Sweetser, Van Buren, Home Corner, Landis, Michaelsville, Canfield, Ackerman, Radley, Lewisburg, and Westwood. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight